So over here you can see that I have a project, and this particular project is actually saved in a catalog. So whenever you actually go ahead and import out photos, it will be saved into the same catalog. But what you may want to do is work with another set of collection of photos, and in that case you can simply create a new catalog. So to do that, you can go around onto the file menu, and here you can see that new catalog is an option. So once I go around over here, then what happens is that you can see that create folder new catalog is an option. So I can simply go around and say demo 2 right here as the catalog, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on create. So once you do that, Lightroom closes and restarts, and it'll restart out with new catalog. So it says opening catalog 2 right here, as you can see, just like this, and then it simply goes ahead and loads a blank catalog right here. So you can see that everything is blank. You need to wait for a while, and then you got a fresh new load right here. So it's loading out right here. So now what you can do is you can go ahead and import out photos right here. So over here, this is what you have, and then you can see that you can now import out the photos to this catalog. If you want to open up the other catalogs that you have, again, you can simply go around over here, and then you can open the catalog, or you can go to open recent as well and choose the catalog. Like I got this catalog right here, so I'm just going to go ahead and relaunch it. And then what happens is that it'll simply go ahead and close and relaunch Lightroom with the other catalog. So you can see that it's reloading right here. It says opening catalog, and now you simply have the other images and everything out right here. And then you can see that I got my old photos loaded up right here. And that is how you can create a new catalog and then even open up other catalog in Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.